Hello everyone, welcome to Himalaya channel. In this video, we are going to discuss chapter 7 of class 6 NCERT, our past one. So what is the chapter name? Chapter name is New Questions and Ideas. By the 6th century BC, religious worship in India had become ritualistic and rigid. It was bound by caste rules. Means very ritualistic, and caste system became rigid. It forced many thinkers to give up worldly life and meditate in search of peace and enlightenment. Such thinkers spread their teachings through Upanishads. And during this 6th century BC itself, two new religions emerged in India, that is Buddhism and Jainism. Buddhism was popularized by Gautama Buddha and Jainism was popularized by Lord Mahavira. And let us understand about Upanishads. With the expansion of trade around 600 BC, people had less time for performance of rituals and they focused on right belief. So the scholars also criticized the rituals and they focused on right belief. Thus emerged the Upanishad. So what is the meaning of Upanishad? Upanishad means approaching and sitting near the teacher. It became an important elaboration of Vedas. Thus, its illustrations and conclusions were called as Vedanta. So, the Upanishad is also called as Vedanta. Upanishad stressed on the need to create a desire for knowledge to achieve moksha. So, compare it with the early Vedic period. Their sacrifice was performed to achieve materialistic needs such as cows, sons, etc. But here the aim was to achieve moksha. Upanishads focused on the fact that knowledge of Atma should be acquired and related with the Paramatma, that is ultimate reality. This philosophy was given by scholars like Yagnavalkya, Maitreyi, Gargi, Aitareya, etc. So, 6 schools of Indian philosophy which became very popular here, they are Vaisheshika, propounded by Kanada, Nyaya, propounded by Gautama, Sankhya school of philosophy propounded by Kapila, Yoga propounded by Patanjali, Purva Mimamsa propounded by Jaimini, and Uttara Mimamsa or Vedanta propounded by Vyasa. Let us understand briefly about Mahavira and Jainism. Lord Mahavira is usually regarded as the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism. He left his palace in his early lifetime and he meditated for many years. He gained supreme knowledge called as Kaivalya in the 13th year after he left his palace. He was able to control and conquer the Indriyas or senses. That is why he was called as Jina. And his disciples were called as Jains. Mahavira spreads his religion. After attaining Kaivalya, he starts preaching Jainism for 30 long years. There were many followers of Jainism, including the kings. Here, under Mahajanapadas, the Magadha ruler King Bimbisara, Avanti ruler Pradyota are the few who supported the Jainism, and they also helped him to spread the religion. And let us understand the doctrines of Jainism. There are 5 doctrines of Jainism. The first 4 was given by early Tirthankaras, and the fifth was given by Lord Mahavira. The first one is Satya, means not to speak lie. The second one is Ahimsa, means not to injure life. The third one is Asteya, not to steal. The fourth one is Aparigraha, not to possess property. And fifth doctrine is Brahmacharya, to vow chastity. These 5 doctrines can be achieved by following 3 jewels. One is right faith, right knowledge, and right action. Now, let us understand about Jain Sangha and divisions. What are the divisions in Jainism? At Pavanagar, Mahavira entered into a debate with Brahmanas and he was able to impress them. So, with their help, he laid the foundation of Jain Sangha. In Jain Sangha, the members were divided into 4 categories. The first one is Bhikkhus, second one Bhikkhunis, third one Shraveks, fourth one Shravikas. The first 2 were aesthetics, means monks, Bhikkhus and Bhikkhunis, monks. While the other 2 were householders, Shraveks and Shravikas. And later it was divided into 2 sects here. The great integration of Jains under the leader, under a monk, Bhadrabahu, to the South India divided the religion into 2 cults. The orthodox follower of Mahavira, who hold Bhadrabahu in high esteem, go completely naked, and they are called Digambaras. The other sect, which was led by Stulabhadra, they wear white clothes, and they are called as Shvetambaras. In this manner, it was divided into 2 divisions under Jainism. So what did we discuss in this video? We discussed the emergence of new thinking, Upanishads, 6 schools of philosophy, Buddhism, Jainism, and briefly about Jainism, Mahavira, 5 doctrines, 3 jewels, and 2 divisions in the Jainism. So that's it in this video. Thank you.